As a spoon, I am a fundamental part of kitchen utensils. Known for my simple yet effective design, I serve a crucial role in dining. From stirring to scooping, I excel in various culinary tasks. I am often found nestled among other cutlery in kitchen drawers. My presence signifies readiness for meal preparation and enjoyment. Chefs and home cooks alike rely on me for everyday cooking needs. I am an essential tool in both professional and home kitchens. My shape and function as a spoon have remained relatively unchanged over time. I am universally recognized as a basic but indispensable utensil. Without me, certain dining experiences would lack convenience and efficiency. Crafted from durable stainless steel, I boast a sleek and modern appearance. My handle is designed for ergonomic comfort, ensuring easy handling. Some spoons feature decorative elements like ornate handles or engravings. I come in various sizes to accommodate different cooking and serving needs. The smooth finish of stainless steel makes me easy to clean after use. Wooden and plastic variations offer alternatives with unique aesthetic qualities. Silver-plated and gold-plated spoons add elegance to formal dining settings. Some spoons are crafted from eco-friendly materials, supporting sustainability. Antique spoons showcase historical craftsmanship and artistic detailing. I am part of a diverse family of cutlery, each type crafted for specific purposes. I excel at scooping ingredients from bowls and containers. Stirring sauces and soups evenly to enhance flavors is one of my specialties. Serving portions of food with precision and ease is another important task I perform. Mixing ingredients thoroughly in baking and cooking recipes is a common role for me. Tasting and adjusting flavors during food preparation requires my delicate touch. I help transfer liquids from one container to another without spillage. Drizzling sauces and dressings over dishes to enhance presentation is a skill I possess. Scraping the sides of pots and pans ensures no food goes to waste. Balancing on the edge of bowls and cups, I remain poised and ready for action. I am versatile enough to handle both hot and cold foods with equal efficiency. Whether resting in a utensil holder or laid out on a table setting, I add a touch of charm. My simplicity and practicality complement a wide range of kitchen decor styles. Engraved initials or decorative patterns on my handle can personalize table settings. I am often part of themed collections that reflect cultural or artistic influences. Colorful plastic spoons brighten up children's parties and outdoor picnics. Miniature versions of me serve alongside tasting dishes in gourmet restaurants. Novelty spoons, shaped like musical notes or animals, appeal to collectors and enthusiasts. Collectible souvenir spoons from various cities and landmarks commemorate travels. Handcrafted wooden spoons showcase artisanal craftsmanship and natural beauty. My role in tea ceremonies and coffee rituals underscores cultural significance and tradition. My presence in kitchen drawers symbolizes readiness for meal preparation and enjoyment. Passed down through generations, I embody continuity and tradition in family kitchens. Professional chefs rely on me for precise measurements and consistent culinary results. I represent the practicality and efficiency of essential kitchen tools worldwide. From soup kitchens to fine dining establishments, I play a crucial role in food service. Innovative designs and materials reflect evolving culinary trends and consumer preferences. My symbolic value extends beyond functionality to encompass cultural and social significance. Collectors appreciate antique and decorative spoons for their historical and artistic value. I am celebrated in culinary arts and food culture as a symbol of craftsmanship and utility. In everyday life, I enhance dining experiences by facilitating serving and enjoyment of food. I hope my story is funny for you kids. Thanks for watching.